please follow these steps to get the certificate for your PCR test. Step 1. Download the Clarity app. We've sent you information on how to do this via email and a text. Step 2. Log in using the credentials that we have emailed you. Your username will always be your mobile number. Now step 3. Click on My Appointments and Tests. Once you do this, you'll see your PCR test waiting for you to click on. Watch the tutorial video in the app before you do your test to help you understand how to collect your sample. Now it's time for us to collect some important information about you. Here, we're going to ask you what your test purpose is, such as is it for day 2 or fit to fly? We need information about you. Also medical information, such as a swab barcode, and some general travel information. The next step is for you to click submit, and it's time for you to post your test kit back to us. Your certificate will be emailed to you and also uploaded to your Clarity app.